Hello guys! Today I'll be showing you how to become a seller on Fiverr. So without further ado, let's start! So first, go to your Google browser and then search for how to become a seller on Fiverr. If you are a buyer and then you want to be a seller, choose this one. Just follow the simple steps right here. But if you are new to Fiverr and you want to become a seller, just click on this. Start selling on Fiverr. Now you'll see the button Become a Seller. Just click on that, and from here you can now sign up for your account. After entering your email address, you can now choose a username and then a password. After that, just click on Join. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.